so they don't get lucky.
Sa bola 1, tignan natin ang gagawin ni Efren. Grabe.
Hindi ko pala dyan ah.
Swerte lang yun.
Kiss na lang niya. Talagang
Bata Reyes, laging may diskarte to.
To the mouth. Nice.
Efren Bata Reyes, kailangan gagamit ng rail dito. Wow, boom!
Damn!
Sa pool.
Matindi talaga, matindi. Sakto talaga yung slime mo, ano kaya? Yeah. Malupit! Malupit!
Yeah, he's got that. We're all set. Okay, the 5 went. See, the 9 ball didn't move that much.
No, it was a better rack that time, and you see
Yeah.
Efren hit it much harder. The 3 really, the 3 doesn't have a pocket right now. What does it go long past the 4?
Not sure how high the 3 is. But camera angle, I'm sure he's going to get us a good camera angle. For that, he really wanted to draw that down and out, and instead he
Live for the last 25 minutes. There has been a bit of warm-up, so the game hasn't been live for an hour. I think if Mika ever took an hour for 4 games, he'd kill himself. Oh, wow.
incredible shot.
And the 9 ball. An hour for 4 games, he'd kill himself. Oh, wow.
Incredible shot.
And the 9 ball.
Rack 9 na tayo. Efren on break. Alternate break ang patakaran dito mga kabilyarista. Kaya sa Efren nag-break dito sa rack 9. May pumasok na bola sa tira na Efren. Pero walang mga butas o madadaanan ng bola 1. Sa bola 1, Tignan natin ang gagawin ni Efren. Grabe. Pinakis na lang niya. At sakto pang preparation, no? Tayo ng bola 2. Yun ang mga hinihintay nating tira kay Efren Bata. At talagang wala pa rin kakupas-kupas ang magic na Efren. Efren Bata Reyes. 6 na bola dito sa Rock 9. Long shot. No problem pa rin para kay Magician. Grabe, sakto talaga ang preparation. Tamang-tama sa angle. So, patras na lang to para kay Efren para sa isaktong preparation sa bola 8. At wala nang kahirap-tirap na tirahin ng bola 8. Sakto pang preparation sigurado dito sa bola 9. Efren Bata Reyes. Muling abanti ng isang puntos at tatapusin ng kalamangan ni Raps, okay? Ng isang rock.
Boy, oh boy.
No, I do apologize. He'll be less than 3 to 1.
Okay. Bingo. But look at the 4 ball here.
High balls are the better of the balls in this position. Well, not necessarily. Low balls can run out here with the ability to control the 2 balls as well as Reyes. I think that if he chooses the low balls, if he cuts the 7, he'll go into the 11. 11 should go out, the 2 balls should stay over here somewhere.
That seems to be the play. He's got to make sure that if he does that, he keeps the 1 clear to that pocket. Because the 9 blocks the 1 to the other pocket and his other out.
I tell you what would be a great, and the only way you could, if he could cut the 7 in, shoot, and bounce off the 11, maybe over here somewhere, playing the combination 1 into the 4. What's he doing here?
Massing. Oh, I see. He's going to play. No, look at the 1, 11, 6. He's going immediately. You know, he's looking at the 3 to see if he can break the 4 out.
Yeah, that's the problem area, and I feel that maybe he tried to reposition. If he has that option now, he'd be foolish not to because he has an insurance ball in the 2. So he's going to hit this with speed.
And look at this.
No, he's going to run out here because I think the best way to play this would be.
So he should hit this with speed. Look at this. No.
He's going to run out here because I think the best way to play this would be the 2 ball is a very good lead. It's better if you play position for the 1, 6, 11 combination now with an angle to play position for the 2. See? Now, if he plays the combination now, he can play position for the 2.
Okay, I got it.
That way, yes. If you haphazardly shoot the 2 off and then play the combination, you might lose control of the lead ball with the 1. See, now he has the 2.
Now he's left it open. He's got an angle. Well, you know, I don't know that he was.
There was no
rewarded.
guarantee that he would, but he
Yeah.
does have a shot of the 2 because he has position for the 2.
Okay.
Had he eliminated the 2 on the shot prior to that, he wouldn't have had this option. And he's hit that well because it goes in the lower left-hand
Properly
corner.
positioned to cinch it and be positioned to the 8
Right.
to close the gap further.
So when you look at his method, you have to say the guy.
Stuff that he sees things other people don't see at the
He
table.
mass-saved his first shot to get the line on the 3. He broke open the 4 with the correct speed. He saved the 2 as an insurance ball, knowing all
0 na
along.
yung score. Punta na tayo ng Rock 2. Efren Reyes on break. Winner breaks ang patakaran dito mga kabilyarista. May pumasok sa break ni Efren, pero ang problema, cue ball ito mga kabilyarista. So foul shot at ball in hand para kay Niels Fijing. At mukhang safety shot ang gagawin niya dito. Nag-safety shot pa si Niels kasi may problema dito sa bola 4 at bola 6. O magkadikit kayo mga kabilyarista, kaya nag-safety shot na lang itong si Niels Fijing. Efren Bata Reyes gagamit ng reel, sumabit sa bola 2 ang cue ball. So foul to na si Efren dito mga kabilyarista. At talagang si Nils Figin gusto niyang talunin sa Efren ng 3 fouls violation. Pero itong sa Efren Bata Reyes, bihirang 3 fouls violation to mga kabilyarista, at gagawa ng paraan to using the rail. Good shot. So balik na sa walang foul sa Efren dito. Nils Figin mukhang magse-safety shot uli dito. Medyo malakas ang kanyang tira, tumama sa bola 3 at may kita na sa bola 1. So susubukan ni Efren na buladahin ang bola 1 sa pagkakataon na to. Masyadong makapal. Pero sinuwerte pa rin sa Efren at humarang ang bola 5. Another safety shot by Nils. Efren Bata Reyes muling gagamit ng reel dito. Bulada uli mga kabilyarista. Pasok. Sakto pang preparation.
Pasok.
Sakto pang preparation niya sa bola 2. So Efren Bata talagang may magic pa tong sa Efren. Hindi siya tatawaging the GOAT. Uh-oh. Nang muntika ng mga cubal scratch, pero okay pa rin para kay Efren. Bola 4. Side ball ang bola 5. Side pocket, no problem pa rin kay Efren. So 4 na ball na lang para kay Efren. Yun, saktong preparation. So, i-shot ulit sa ball number 10, Efren Bata, para sa kanyang ikalawang panalo. Punta na tayo sa rack 5, Efren Bata Reyes on break. May pumasok sa break ni Efren, pero humarang mga bola 5. So Efren Bata push out na Efren. Masyadong manipis ang tira ni Cusano. Efren Bata, long shot sa bola 1. Safety shot ni Efren. Pero mukhang may kita sa bola 1. Good shot pa rin. Grabe. Grabe talaga ang cue ball control na Efren. Sakto ang kanyang preparation sa bola 2. May problema lang siya dito sa bola 4, so kailangan magawa niya ito ng magandang preparation. So Efren Bata mukhang bulada ang gagawin niya dito. Sinasabi ko na nga ba? Sentrong bulada na Efren. Grabe talaga ang diskarte ni Efren. Gumandang sitwasyon para kay Efren Bata. 3 bola na lang at wala nang kahirap-hirap para kay Efren Bata dito sa Rock 5. Isang napaka ng preparation at napakadaling tira sa bola 9. Efren Bata Reyes.
7-5 na ang score. Lamang na naman ang dalawang rack sa Efren. Rack 13 na tayo. Efren on break. Pumasok ang bola 1 at open ang bola 2 para kay Efren. Hala! Mukhang akit na dito sa Efren sa heel. Pasok. Sakto pang preparation. Efren Bata mukhang hindi na mapipigilan dito sa Rack 13. 4 na bola na lang para kay Efren. Rack 13. Yun! Sumobra ang preparation na Efren. Pero tingnan natin ang gagawin ni Magician dito. Efren Bata Reyes, laging may diskarte to eh.
So Django Bustamante ang mag-break. Bata na nandito. Alternate break. May pumasok sa break ni Django at Efren Bata ang susunod na titira dito. So nag-push out si Magician. Sablay ang tira ng Taiwan team. Django naman ngayon ang Philippine team titira. Shot by Django. Efren Bata. Medyo alanganan ng preparation niya sa bola 4. Tingnan natin ang gagawin ni Efren. Oh, kumalog. Perfect sana ang preparation na Efren. Babaeng world champion ng Taiwan. Titira dito. So alternate ang titira dito. Philippines at Taiwan. Okay, so parang Gunpul yung champion ng kanilang patakaran dito mga kabilyarista sa match na to. Galing. Cubal Scats ng Taiwan team. So, Philippines team, Janko Bustamante. Oh, backstroke pa yung ginawa ni Janko dito. Ako po, medyo alanganin na tira to para kay Efren. So, yan na nga, sa highlights shot natin kanina, Efren Bata, nakataas ang tako. Bang! Sapul! Ibang klase ko talaga si
Ayan na nga, sa highlights shot natin kanina, Efren Bata. Nakataas ang tako.
Bang! Sapul! Ibang klase ko talaga si Mission. Napatas pa ang kanyang kamay. So, Jango Bustamante, sisilyuhan ang bola 8. At i-shot sa ball number 9. Grabe talaga tong saya. Efren Bata Reyes. Nahirap na tira. Kaya nga niya. Pinaganda niya. So, lamang na ang Philippines team ng The Magician. O, dalawang rack pa lang pala. So, 8-6 na ang score. Nice safety shot by Hisashi. Efren Bata Reyes, kailangan gagamit ng rail dito. Wow, boom! Sapul! Tingnan nyo sa slow motion mga kabilyarista. Talagang ginamit pa yung banda. Oh. Una banda pa yon. Sakto pa ang preparation sa bola 4. Nako po. Oh. Yan. Gumanda ng sitwasyon dito mga kabilyarista. Yun. Nice shot by Magician. Tinulak na lang. Efren Bata Reyes, dalawang bola na lang. Perfect, saktong sakto. Yun, sakul. So, tatlong rack na naman ka lang.